Hello guys, greetings to each and every one of you depending on when you are coming across this video. So guys, this is the evaporator coil that I find out that there was a sign of oil on the evaporator coil. So here is how I was able to find leakage on the evaporator coil. So before I was able to find this leakage, I've tried using normal gas in checking the leakage, but the pressure was not much, so I have to look for another alternative, because whenever you find out there is oil on evaporator coil, you know that there is a leakage. There is somewhere that is leaking on the coil, which you have to find now the exact place that is having the leakage before you can brace it. So I find so many ways. There was it wasn't showing where it was leaking until I have to use a compressor. So this is the pressure that is inside the evaporator coil due to the compressor that I use. So I'll be showing you the compressor and how I was able to put pressure using this compressor. So that's where I plug the compressor. So when I start this compressor, I have to fix in my charging hose to the compressor and to the evaporator coil, and when I turn it on, it will be putting pressure inside the evaporator coil. So that's how I was able to get that much pressure on the evaporator coil, that I was able to find the leakage. So I'll be showing you how I connected to the compressor. So this is how I connected to the evaporator coil, that was able to give me that much pressure that I was able to find the leakage on the evaporator coil. So without this, there was no way I will able to find the leakage on the evaporator coil, because normal gas could not give me the pressure that I needed to find the leakage. So this after I've seen the leakage. So what I'll be doing now is to on my oxygen nozzle, because I'm doing this work in the night, and I will make sure that I install this unit to the client, because I have other pending job that I have to do. So I have to make sure that I deliver the job by tomorrow morning. So I was doing everything possible for me to deliver the job by the next morning. So guys, I find out that my oxygen was giving me a kind of issues. I thought my oxygen has finished, so I was almost fed up on the job. So I have to tune the pressure nozzle. I have to turn it very well and make sure that everything is intact. So I found out here that there was a leakage on the oxygen bottle through the hose. So I have to make sure that I tight it very well before I will on the oxygen again, and I will start welding. So stay tuned, watch this video to the end, and don't forget to follow this page. If it's the first time you're coming across my page, follow this page, like and share this video so that others can see and also benefit from this video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kingdom Technical Services. So guys, my oxygen nozzle is very okay now, so I want to start welding. So watch the video to the end and see how I was able to brace this evaporator coil.